about how can you fix this problem on your DoorDash app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So just waiting to open with you like this. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then you click here on apps. When you just click on apps, it's going to take you to this list here. And here you're looking for DoorDash app, or just click on search here. So then here at DoorDash app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.